Kia ora, today is Waitangi Day and we're celebrating down here on the Parakore. So for me, Parakore is a kaupapa that our whānau, the iwi, hapu, need to excel in, and these sorts of days, big celebration days, is a really cool day to show our manuhiri and our whānau who don't know what we do. Our goal today is to have as little of rubbish in our landfill that goes into our papatua nuku.
We're here at our Waitangi Day and this is our Parakore team. These ladies are going to sort their rapehi into the right bins. So she's got a lid, car pipe. Yay!
Kia ora whānau. We had a wonderful Parakore Day today. 5 stations, 29 volunteers and 6 staff all here. We filled mostly recycling, so maybe 2/3 of the waste today was recycling. Glass bottles, cans and plastic. Organic waste, we've got 3 bags of organic waste that will get put back in papatua nuku up on the whenua in a big windrow. We've got 1 bag of landfill here and we've got a wheelie bin full of PLAs, which is plant starch compostables. But we're going to document what's actually in that landfill that we don't have to bring back for next year.
Man,
So
okay.
that's from about maybe, what, 14,000 people? 5 hours?
Ko te korari, ngā tau ngā whakarere iho Ho te rangi o te whenua o ngā tupu